Hello teacher and student. In this opportunity I can speak about my city, Bogota DC. Population. In this city there are a population of already 7 millions for people, with people of different cities of country. Also I have an area of 1775 kilometers, and weather is very different because sometimes do cold and other days is very hot, so we don't know that cloth wear. In education, the city have various schools, universities and institutes. Other characteristics importance are there are various places for visit, for example the planetarium. Here we can see light shows. Also is Monserrate, also the park Salitre Mágico, also the national park, the Candelari of these places is in first place of city. Okay, this is my activity. Bye bye.